guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we're going to unbox the February 2021 Sew Sampler box. So let's make a splash by looking in our box. This month you get an enormous amount of fabric. You get a 36-inch wide digitally printed panel that has the colored numbers and names for every Bella Solid, plus we've included 12 fat eighths that you can use to make this quilt. All you have to add is your background and your binding, and our pattern this month is called Color Factory. The first notion is by Clover. It's a water-soluble pin set that includes 3 colors, and you can wipe away the markings on your fabric with just water. We're including this teal magnetic spool pin holder by Aurifil that we hand selected the color of to go just with your box, and it includes a magnet, and we've got some decorative pins, and your pins won't fall out. So this is a fun addition to your sewing room. For thread this month, we're putting in a mystery spool of 50 weight Aurifil thread. So you're going to get a color. It might not match this, and you're going to get 1 spool. And the reason we did that is the panel has so many colors that any color you get is going to go perfectly with your panel. We're on the second to last track of our Greatest Hits 12 block series, and this is track 11. Thanks for joining me for our Sew Sampler February 2021 box. We hope you love it just as much as we do.